Hey, thanks for joining us today. We're out here at Sereno Springs. This is D.R. Horton's newest community on the east side of San Antonio, right off of 1604, very close to Randolph Air Force Base. I'm Shane Tracy, broker of Good to Go Realty, your real estate professional for life. And man, if for no other reason, look at that sunset. Is that gorgeous or what? So you're going to really enjoy this community, especially with a property tax rate of 1.72%. You heard that right? 1.72%, so under 2% for sure. So that really helps with your monthly payment, along with the fact that the prices are from the 260s to the 290s. So again, we're staying below 300,000. 1156 square feet upwards to 1892 square feet, 1- and 2-story homes, 3 to 5, up to 5 bedrooms even with these particular floor plans. And what better way to find out more about this home than to actually see the inside, right? So let's go check it out right now.
It's time to check out the Franklin in Sereno Springs, located in Converse, Texas. 5 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2-car garage, nearly 1,900 square feet, and all under $300,000. Inside, you'll love the open concept layout with quartz counters, stainless steel appliances, and an island with counter height seating. Upstairs, the primary suite features a spa-like bathroom and oversized closet. Add in smart home tech, modern finishes, and durable flooring throughout. Enjoy the home.
Hey, thanks for joining us for another awesome video. Before I forget, go ahead, you're going to find it right about here. You'll have my contact information. Go ahead and call, text with any questions you may have about this builder or any other builder that we are going to show you. Believe me, we are the specialists here at Good to Go Realty to make sure that you are guided through each and every step to home ownership, making sure that we're finding the right home for you. And we understand you have unique needs and situations. And believe me, we are listening and wanting to make sure that we get you through each of those unique steps to home ownership. Whether it is your federal student loan debt, you need to get that lowered. You want to use your VA home loan benefits. You have a down payment assistance need that we can find a solution for. Whatever it may be, just know Good to Go Realty is your new home solution. I cannot stress it enough. So go ahead and give me a call, text, and we will walk you through each and every scenario, making sure that we're getting you in the right home that fits your lifestyle, that fits your budget, and that fits the right side of town just for you. Have a great day.